Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can convert your photos from Google Photos to a JPEG format, so let's get right into it. Now, pretty much most of your photos on Google Photos will be in a JPEG format natively. There are a couple of supported formats such as JPEG, PNG, or RAW files, and other sorts. However, usually it is just JPEGs most of the time. However, if it is not, you can right click and download any photo from your Google Photos, and it should be a JPEG. However, if it is not, there is no built-in way to do this through Google Photos, and you can find a lot of converters which are free to use online, so just use them freely. Now, there are ways that you can do this if it is an unsupported format. You can do it through Google Photos by clicking on the picture and entering the preview, and if you're on PC, just right click and save image as, and it should save it to your computer. However, as this person states, the file that you get is tiny and it isn't very good, and there is a time-consuming workaround which you can do, and that is to open up the image. And you can do this on any platform. Open it up, open up the preview, and do a screenshot, and this will still be downsized. However, it is better than nothing, and that is pretty much all you can do. Again, the simpler way is just to download the images and use an online converter, since Google does not have one, and that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.